It's just me and my dad. We've done our annual trip to Furness, but we're back on Roman this time because obviously the videos in the past have all been a kiln. Oh no, sorry, I've done one video in this swim that I'm in now of Roman last year, and I had 28 cats out in 48 hours. We're here for 4 nights this time, so yeah, hopefully it kicks off. Carp are spawning, so we're only going to go for the cats. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Right, guys, so we're finally set up. Everything's done. I've got one rod just in front of these lilies, and then I've got one rod that side of the willow and the other rod that side of the willow. Yeah, go on, happy days.
Big old head on it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, back you go, girl.
So guys, one thing I do want to say is this is the reason why I love Furness. So nice clean swims. I mean, it pissed down early and you can see it's not muddy. So they allow you to have your barbecue. You get dropped off to your swim, and it's just such a beautiful place.
Yeah. That's just swatting rare, isn't it? No more than that though. Oh, you can't, no more, you can't, no! Oh, he's going. Oh. I can't give him much more, Bill. Fucking hell. Oh, no, he's. I can't give nothing. No, no. I'm gonna have to re-spool this.
He's nearly spooled out.
Come on, back, come. Let me give it, me have it.
Alright, come on, let's get this in. So look, he got it in the end. But it did take him for the run around.
Here's a fire, must admit that. Oh, hang on, let me put the boots on.
Took him all the way down there.
Nearly took all in line.
So luckily no one's in the swims next to him.
Billy's first one of the session.
Happy days.
But it's not in yet.
Ripped off, mate. Alright, we'll get back to you when I get this in. Not going to bother picking it up, but happy days. Nice little, what'd you say, 30? Just had the my first cat out of the session. It was £28, so yeah, that come from the left hand side of the willow tree. So I'm going to get that back out now. I'm going to use the bait boat, drop it right up against the bank, and yeah, fingers crossed we get a bigger one out. So that is what it was going for, and this is the prize. How the hell did it think it was ever going to get that in its mouth? And I'm going to throw that snotty back. There you go, look at that. Let's get her back. Ain't like carp, is it? You want to get it?
Go before.
Right, let's get this back. Get the rods back out. What's happening, people? Yeah, it's going to start getting dark now. It's currently, what's the time now? It is 10 to 9 now. Dad's just gone to chill in his bivvy. I'm going to chill in mine. And if we get anything out, I'll get on the camera. If not, I will see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, people. It's a lovely day on Roman Lake at Furnace in Horsham. Yes, I had one cat out last night, lost 2. The old man had 1, lost 1. And then we decided to reel the rods in about, just before 1 o'clock. We've got a nice sleep. So I'm back up now, kettle's on, rods are back out. As you can see, I haven't used the boat this morning. I've literally just stuck 1 there, about there, 1 about there, and then the other one I've chucked it over there. So anyway, people, this is my old man swim. Where you got your rods, Dad?
Over there.
Yep.
Right under there where that, so you can just see that brown bit?
Yep.
And just to the right. Right and left I can cast, but the other one I've got to use the boat to get under. Let's put a bit more carp here on that.
But yeah, so get this one back, and then we're gonna get the rods back out. Happy days. Right guys, so what I'm gonna do now is on the rod that I just had that cat on, I'm gonna actually redo the rig. Because with cats, I do like to redo the rigs every 2 or 3 or so cats, only because of their pads. So I don't want it to weaken that point there. So this is basically just the rig that we're going to be using, that we are using. Simple inline lead, 1 metre of rig tubing, inline lead, buffer bead down to a cat swivel, and then I usually use the Cat Pro hook link, but I haven't got none, so I'm using my 50-pound coated braid. I think it's the Calder one. So that goes all the way down, and that is probably about 12 inches long. And we have a really long hair because we only allowed to use boilies here. So we have I have a double 20mm boilie on there and a size 2 Cat Pro hook. So guys, we are back from the co-op. If I just show you quickly, as you arrive into the complex, you arrive in a little country lane, goes past some nice houses, you end up in the car park down there. That's where you pay and you get picked up, and then the trailer will bring you up here. And if you're going to Carp Lake, you'll go up to there. If you're going to Furnace, the long lake, it'll bring you down here. If you're going to Kiln, it'll bring you up here to Kiln, and then Plantations over the back there. Right, hello guys. Right, so rods are back out. I'm chilling. I've bought myself a load of goodies from the co-op, and one thing I will say is this stuff here is absolutely out of this world. Oh yes, people, looks like Billy's running away with it. Can't remember what that is now, number, well, I don't know. We'll tally up at the end of the session, but I think the old man's on. Nope, he's not on. Just got his fat belly out again. What a beautiful day. Right, let's get this one unhooked, thrown her back, and then I think it's time for a cup of coffee. Happy days. Have a look at that, Blankers. It's not exactly blanking, is it? Happy days.
What did you catch him on?
Huh? Let's get these 3 back and then have a rest. Well guys, that was tiring. Literally, I rebaited up. Used the bait bait I got tight to the island in 3 separate places. And yeah, the right hand rod screamed off. Struck into that, landed that. As soon as I landed that, the middle rod screamed off. Landed that. Literally as soon as we landed that, the left hand rod screamed off. So it was my dad was running back and forth getting nets and slings and stuff like that. So but yeah, that was fun. So but I'm gonna have a beer now, I'm gonna chill out. I'm not gonna put the rods out for about an hour yet. I'm gonna chill out now for an hour. And yeah, have a little bit of a rest, because that was knackering. But I'm gonna have a beer now and have a laugh and a joke and chill out. So catch up with you guys in a bit. Another one, base the dust. Cool. The old gooner's running away with it, look. The old happy hammer ain't happy anymore. Guys, I'm starting to get a bit bored of this now. Another one in the net. Alright guys, let's get this baby out, get her back, get the rod back out on the dance floor, and then time for a barbecue. Happy days.
Welcome to the show. Hi. Thank you for having me. You know what,
My head's killing me, but we've just gone in the lead on weight as well as number.
Numbers, you're way in front.
And no, yeah, numbers, I'm pushing all over you, but in front now of the 50. So, oh, happy days.
It does look big, isn't it?
Huh?
It's looking big, so look at it.
Yeah, it's bigger than the other ones we've had. 100%. Here we go. There you go, guys. Nice big 50-pound catfish. Happy days. Let's get this back and get that barbecue on. I might leave the rods in there. So fucking, I can't keep doing this. Good morning, guys. Another little one in the net. Well, so little, probably about 28, 30 pounds, something like that. But yeah, long story is, I reeled all my rods in about 8 o'clock last night. Well, yesterday I had a massive headache, so I thought I'd have a sleep for an hour, and yeah, I didn't bother waking back up. So I got up at what, 4 o'clock this morning, put the rods out, and yeah, about 4:30, so it's about half hour after I put the rods out, screaming off. So, gosh, I'm going to get this out and have a quick look at this, and then I'll get back on the camera. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so what I've done is I've got the rods back out. I had to pop to the boys' room. Another sunny, glorious day in sunny Sussex. So I'm going to get the kettle on and chill out for the morning. I'm going to tidy up the bivvy today because it's like a bomb's hit it. But yeah, apart from that, hopefully we get something big out today. And yeah, we're going to enjoy ourselves even more. Another one, guys. That one come from, again, where the willow tree is. Well, people, it'll be rude not to, wouldn't it? Happy days. Alright, I did actually think I was going to take the lead again with weight with this one because it's got a big head, but it only went to, what was it, 46?
16 to 47.
Oh, you're right, Dad. So let's quick throw up, and then we go and give Dad a hand. So, happy days. Let's get back. Here we go, guys. Another 48 for Dad. Cool, only another £4, Dad. You'll be getting wet. Yeah?
There.
Happy days.
I fucking appreciate that.
He's on again. If you just put that one back, casted the rod back out.
Yeah, I haven't got even it's not even on, Bill.
Look.
Yeah, but if you think about it, you had them 3 and I did no reply on them 3 at all. And I've had 5 for no, and 1 reply.
Yeah, but come on, make it interesting. Stop being a bottle job. Oh, 50 quid, most fish.
Fucking stupid bet when you're fucking. It's also your favour now, isn't it?
Alright, we'll go 0-0. Can't we go 0-0? We'll go 0-0 from this point forward. Because I ain't even been trying. Hold on. 2 of them fish you've got down are mine. Yeah, because I couldn't be bothered. Oh, look at him sulking, look.
Knock off me.
Alright guys, chili is coming up. Just quickly guys, just in case any of you are wondering why we're using that, because Dopey forgot to bring the gas for his big cooker, but it makes a nice bench, so put a little cooker on. Yeah, chili coming up. The old man's all set for the night ahead, he thinks it's winter. Happy days. Look at that. Obviously it don't look right because it's got chickpeas instead of kidney beans, but it looks alright to be fair. I didn't have a cheese grater and there are some burnt bits in there, but apart from that, it looks alright. Yeah, look, Buster the duck's back. Every morning he's coming in for his breakfast. Yeah, Buster, it's the last one you're getting. What's happening, guys? Yeah, it's currently 2 o'clock on our last day here. Well, not our last day, a day before we go home. Yeah, so we've had a couple of good runs. I think the old man's had 5 out today. I've had 4. No, I've had 6 out. Sorry. But what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to pick last session's winner, the solid bag giveaway winner. So I'm just downloading the app now on the tablet. I'm going to punch everyone's names into it, and then I'll get back on the camera and do the draw. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the comments off for that video so no one else can comment on it and then obviously mistakenly not get entered into the draw. So I'm going to turn the comments off now. I'm going to put names into the tablet and then I'll get back on the camera. So good luck everyone. Hello guys. Right, so I've put everybody's name into the random generator. So I'm just going to call them off quickly. Gooner number 1, Aquatic College Fishing, Silver Fox, Lan Lebret, I think, sorry I've pronounced it wrong, Jules Sutz, Car Pilots UK, Rob Harrison, Sean's Fishing, Frank Reed, Chunkster Fishing, Liam ST225, the winner, Dean Barrett, Lee Mill, Martin Staff, LCW and AJ10, King Dave Drury, and Anthony Goes Urban, or Ant Goes Urban, should I say. So, anyway, good luck to all you lot, and here we go. So, I can't see that. Aquatic College Fishing. So, get in touch with me. We've obviously spoke a few times because obviously Aquatic College also has a fishing channel, so go and check that out. I'll put his link in the description below. But yeah, if you get in touch with me via Facebook or Instagram, then yeah, we'll look at getting your solid bag giveaway to you. So well done to you, mate, and to all the others, don't worry, because I will be doing another giveaway soon. So anyway, I'm going to carry on fishing and have a cup of coffee. Tight lines, guys. With his first double take. I'm gonna start eating and chilling. Anyway, well done to Aquatic College for winning the solid bag giveaway again. Here we go. Watch this cast. Look, this geezer is so jammy. Look, watch where it goes. right there. Anyway, see you in a bit, guys. Good morning, guys. God, I am absolutely knackered. The heavens opened up last night and it calmed down big time. But yeah, so it's our last day here. We go home this afternoon. So we've got probably, what's the time now? It is 7:30 now. We've got till 4 o'clock, but I think we're going to leave a bit before then. So probably got 3-4 hours fishing and then we're done. Yeah, old Buster's back and he's brought his girlfriend with him this time. Right guys, we are done. All the stuff is here, ready to be picked up. Look at this knob.
Biggest fish, smallest fish?
Yeah, debatable. But anyway, furnace, we're done.